Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best laser cutter engraving machines that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Snapmaker 3D Printer, Laser Engraver. With the Snapmaker 3D Printer, you can cut, engrave, carve and print out your designs, all in one machine. It's not just about its ability to perform these activities, but also the impressively high resolution that trumps other dual-purpose laser cutters. If you've been searching for the ultimate arts and crafts kit, this might be your last stop. This 3D printer and desktop laser cutter tool includes the 3-in-1 software, Snapmaker Lubin, which allows you to explore your creativity and gives you access to helpful APIs, tutorials, and plugins. It also has an autofocus feature that automatically finds the optimal laser height before it starts engraving. This means you don't have to spend so much time adjusting the focal point for a clear image. Moving on at number 4, we have Bibo 3D Printer and Laser Engraver. Bibo 3D Printer and Laser Engraver is a 3D printer that doubles as a laser engraving tool. So if your business could benefit from a 3D printer along with a laser engraver, this product is a hidden gem. Here, they will focus on the engraving aspect of this device. The Bibo can cut through plywood, double-color planks, leather, crystal, organic plastics, and fabrics. It has a printing, engraving area of 214 by 186 mm, 8.4 by 7.3 inches, and an engraving precision of 0.01 mm, 0.0004 inches. The printing layer resolution is 0.05 to 0.3 mm, which is considered quite competitive. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux OS and with STL, OBJ, DAE, AMF, BMP, JPG, JPEG, PNG, and GCODE file formats. At number 3, we have Orion MotorTech Cutting Machine. The Orion MotorTech 40WCO2 laser cutting and engraving machine is an excellent workstation and holds some superiority over its competitors due to its decent price tag. Besides the unique design, it has some intuitive features for those who want to start laser engraving for personal or small business use. The Orion MotorTech 40WCO2 laser cutting and engraving machine weighs 50 pounds and includes a control panel with adjustable knobs. The 4 detachable wheels promote easy movability. This model works with most third-party vector graphic software programs, such as Corel Laser and LaserDraw. It also works with printers, scanning machines, and with documents in TIFF, BMP, JPG, JPEG, WMF, EMF, and PLT formats. Unfortunately, it isn't compatible with Mac operating systems. At number 2, we have NEJE Master 2S Plus Engraving Machine. The NEJE Master 2S Plus engraver and cutter weighs about 7 pounds and can cut 3 mm of plywood or any kind of fabric very easily. With an engraving area of 255 by 420 mm, this laser cutting machine can cut or engrave acrylic, leather, wood, paper, and MDF with exceptional levels of precision. This laser cutting tool is easy to set up and has multifunctional keys for resetting and frame positioning. It also works with documents in different formats including JPEG, PNG, TIFF, SVG, and a host of other file formats. The NEJE Master 2S Plus laser cutter supports NEJE software and Lightburn, and is compatible with Mac, Windows, and Android systems. This laser cutting machine is perfect for professional DIY projects and its software is preloaded with multiple graphics that you can use for a test run. And finally at number 1, Triumph 30W Fiber Laser Machine. Even among the largest, best-performing laser engraving machines and tools, Triumph's 30W Fiber Laser Marking Machine stands as a behemoth, towering above some of the most sought-after models that the current market has to offer. The lifespan of its laser source is nearly 10,000 hours, so it goes without saying, you won't need an upgrade in decades, even if you're using it round the clock for weeks. Compatibility-wise, Triumph's laser cutter and engraver machine works most digital design software, including CorelDRAW, AutoCAD, and Photoshop. Better yet, the package includes a built-in computer and monitor with pre-installed software. If you wish to use it straight off the bat, all you need to do is simply plug it in and power it up.